glam fam, glam everyone, all are welcome. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another quarantine video. Hope you guys are doing okay. We're in this together. I'm here for you. You can always DM me. Follow me on Instagram. We can talk. I try to share my days with you guys on Instagram, show you what I'm doing to keep you motivated, give you some inspiration. So anyway, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, my name is Gabriella Lascano, or like the channel says, also known as Gabriella Glamour. Thank you for joining me. If this is your first time, I do everything on this channel: beauty, fashion, cooking, hauls, Amazon favorites, try on hauls, everything. So welcome. I hope that you subscribe and enjoy this video. So today I have an Amazon haul slash favorites of everything I've been buying on Amazon lately, and I think it's a really nice mix of different kinds of products and items that I'm really loving. I usually don't buy things unless I know I'm gonna love them, and they usually always work out. I've only had to return one thing, I think, from Amazon. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. The stuff that's too big to show on camera, I'll just have like a video and then a voiceover while you see it on the screen. So anyway, let's jump into it. I'm just gonna go according to my order. So this is not in any particular order. This is just according to the list in my Amazon cart or in my Amazon orders history, so I don't forget anything. So let's start. I have a couple things that haven't been delivered yet. The first one is this nail drill, which I will put a picture of, or if I have it already, by the time this video goes up, I'll put a video showing you how I used it or how it looks. And this is a nail drill. Well, it's actually just a little drill that's meant for like arts and crafts and things like that, but I heard, or I read a lot of reviews saying that nail techs were using this drill and it worked really well for them. It comes with a lot of different attachment heads. It's also a USB chargeable drill, so you can use it wirelessly. You can't use it while it's charging, but it charges and then you can use it wirelessly, which I love because it just makes it so much easier to like find any place you want to do your nails. You could do them on your porch if you wanted to. Everyone's doing their nails right now, and there wasn't a lot of options for drills, so I was so happy I was able to find this one, and it was super cheap. So I'm really loving that. Hopefully it works. It looks like a regular nail drill. It has 3 speeds, so I'm really excited, and it also had great reviews. The next item is also coming in a couple days, and this is a set of canisters for the pantry. So I'm obsessed with organization, as a lot of us are. It makes life a lot more simple, and in my pantry, no exception. So I'm trying to switch to glass that's more eco-friendly, as well as things that have like wood detailing and stuff like that, because I just think they look nicer. So I ordered this set of 6, and it's 2 sets of 3 of the same shape, if that makes sense. So 2 small, 2 medium, 2 large, and it has really good reviews, almost completely 5 stars, and it was only $35.99 for all of them, which is a great deal. I've seen things like this at Crate & Barrel, Zara Home, H&M Home, West Elm, and they're always like $100 for a set of these. Next, we have this really cool little tripod thing that I got for vlogging for my phone. So I've been using my phone a little bit more to vlog lately, just because sometimes it's easier wherever I'm at to vlog, and our phones look so good now, especially since like the vintage vibe is really popular right now. You guys know I love that vintage look. Put like vintage filters on my vlogs anyway, so if I take a video with my phone and then I put a vintage filter over it, it kind of lowers the quality anyway. So I feel like the phone takes just as good videos as my camera, especially if I'm out and about and I don't really want to like lug around a big camera. So I thought this is a really cute little gadget. It's basically this handheld tripod. The tripod is a little flimsy. Maybe I haven't figured it out completely. Maybe I need my husband to like play with it to help me figure out. I feel like when I put it on the table, the weight of the top is a little bit heavy for the tripod. So then it comes with the phone attachment. This is for your phone, so it comes with the phone attachment. Then the phone attachment has an attachment for the little LED light, and it's actually really powerful. If you guys can see, I'll put the light on me. Do you see that? It's really powerful. Then it also has this little attachment microphone, and then the microphone comes with the little muffler as well as the big like furry muffler. This one. The only thing is that you have to have your little lightning connector if you're going to use this for an iPhone, because the connector from the mic to the phone is like a regular jack. So I'm gonna have to buy the little lightning connector because I don't have one. So I can't tell you if the sound is good, but the little light is good. It doesn't come with the batteries, but it's really strong. My only complaint, like I said, is that I'm trying to figure out how to tighten everything and like how to make it work. I know it seems extra, but I make a lot of content for my story, IGTV, little makeup tutorials. So I thought it was a really nice gadget since I make a lot of branded content and content in my stories and things like that. Basically, I use my phone to make content a lot, and this would just really help make it better. And if you want to start a YouTube channel without having to invest a lot, this little gadget is 50 something bucks. Next is the contact paper that I use for everything. So this is the one that I've been consistently using for years. I love it. It's a really good price. It always comes really quickly. It looks really good on my surfaces. I have an entire video on how I did the contact paper on this dresser right here. So if that's available, definitely go watch it. I'll try to link it or put it in the cards. And I love it. It's everywhere. I tried to keep all the surfaces with the same marble contact paper so that it looks the same. And this contact paper can get wet, you can clean it. If it's in your kitchen, it cleans really well, it lasts a long time. So I really love it. Like, the next item I have purchased recently, I absolutely love, is this really beautiful jewelry organizer. So let's go to my dresser so I can show you guys what it looks like. So we have here this really cute jewelry organizer. I absolutely fell in love with this when I saw it because a lot of my necklaces, I got this mainly obviously for decor, but also for my necklaces, because a lot of my necklaces were getting messed up. I wasn't using them. They would get really bad knots and there was no way to untie them, so I had to stop wearing them or throw them out, or they would break. I've had a lot of necklaces break on me because they got really bad tangles and I just wasn't able to wear them. And I was like, you know what, I don't want them to go to waste. I love the necklaces that I do have. I would like to have more necklaces. Another great thing about this is that this back pillar organizer is actually adjustable, so you can make it taller with this little knob right here. If you needed to make it longer for longer necklaces, it can actually get really tall, so you have a lot of versatility there. And then this last pillar has holes for earrings. As you can see, I have a couple earrings hanging there. The ones that I'm wearing right now were hanging on this side, that's why it's empty. And I just love how pretty it looks. It has these little dishes on the side, so I kept some of my most used little huggy type earrings right there, as well as one of my favorite perfumes with my wedding ring on top for decor, because I just think it really matches the vibe. But you could put anything else you wanted in there, and I just think it's so pretty for 20 bucks, guys. So pretty. Next piece I have here is a decor piece. This is really beautiful wood bowl. It says that this was from Santa Barbara Design Studio. It's the Paulownia wood bowl natural. So last time I checked, it was sold out. I did add some similar ones to my Amazon store. Hopefully it comes back in stock because this is so beautiful. So it literally is a wood bowl, and you can see that it looks like it was hand carved. So beautiful, such a great piece, guys. It looks super designer, super expensive. It really looks like it was hand carved by someone. Just immediately had to get it when I saw it. It was only 20 something bucks. It really looks like something you would get at like West Elm Pottery Barn. It's just so pretty. I love this, and the color is everything. Going with those same vibes, I also ordered this beaded garland, which you guys have seen a lot of people using. Stuff like this definitely goes with the vibes. I love that it has these natural little woven tassels at the ends, which just looks so nice. I love the vibes of this. It's like a similar wood to that bowl. So I have it laid here on my little desk, and I just love how it looks when you see the whole desk from far, which you guys will see. Love how it looks laid over the books. It just adds a little pop of texture, decor, and dimension to the space. So next we have these really nice big, they're called textile burlap natural pillowcases. So I got a size too big. I got the 26 by 26. I only needed maybe like a 22 to 24 by 24, but I decided to keep it anyway just because I like the relaxed look of the big pillowcase on the pillow. I think it even adds to that natural relaxed vibe more. And these are so nice. You can see up close, they really have that burlap look and texture. Nice little kind of almost like a Chanel tweed jacket kind of look to it, and it just looks so nice. It's really cozy, it's pretty soft, and yeah, I really like these for the price. They are a zipper case cover, so you can throw them in the wall. Another pillowcase that I have picked up, I think I showed you guys this in my last Amazon haul. I think so. I don't remember, so I'm just gonna throw it in here anyway. But I also picked up these pillowcases. I think I showed you the pillowcase without a pillow in it, but this is what it looks like with the pillow in it. Again, this is another one that is a zipper pillowcase that you can throw in the wash, and I love the Moroccan kind of texture and the Moroccan pattern on this as well. Again, adds to those relaxed natural vibes. And I have these on the sofa and I love them. They're really, really soft again, and they look really expensive. Kitchen accessories. So I picked up this bamboo brush from Amazon as well, and this was only $5. First of all, I love the way it looks, the tones, the colors, the wood, the little rope. It's really, really pretty, I guess. But I did need something like this to clean things that sometimes you just need like a harder brush, or certain appliances that you have to like brush out. Also for cleaning in general, it's just a really good thing to have by the sink. And I thought it was pretty. It's prettier than having like some ugly big bulky brush. This one actually looks like a piece of decor. Only $5. I saw something very similar for I think it was like $25 from Zara Home, and I was like, I can probably find a bamboo brush cheaper on Amazon, and I did. $5, girl. Yes. And then I also picked up 2 of these wire metal baskets. Aren't they so cute? I love them, and I love that they have handles. Looks like when kids play like shop with me, this is what you give them. But again, they're really, really nice quality. These are $10 a piece, which is cheaper than I think you would even find them at like Home Goods. Usually this is something I would get from Home Goods. We can't do that right now, but I really like these for the pantry organization. Also, you could use them for like, and I mean anything. There's so many ways to use these to organize, but I got one to organize the pantry, and then the other one I put snacks in it, and it looks really nice like out on the kitchen counter. Actually, no, what did I do with them? I'm lying. This one I use for the pantry. I put snacks in it. The other one I use for my kitchen towels, and I like how it looks on my kitchen island. I have like little drawers, like exposed shelves, and I have one with all of my kitchen towels. Just makes it really nice and easy to be able to grab a towel anytime, and it looks so much better than just like a pile of towels. Now it's a basket of towels. It looks nicer, okay? Next 2 kitchen-y items are these water bottles. So I think I told you guys about these in one of my recent videos, and I showed it to you on Instagram as well. I wanted to show you the 2 different colors. This is my husband's and this one's mine. I wanted to show you the black option as well since I have it. So I love these because they have the times on the bottle. So I don't know if it's gonna focus, but it goes from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then on the other side it goes from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. 2 of these is a gallon, so definitely aim to drink both in a day, sometimes even more. And I keep it by the bed as soon as I wake up, and I try to drink as much as I can. And I try to like play catch up with myself. If it's 5 and I'm like, oh my god, I'm only at 2 p.m. I like chug it, and it just really helps you stay accountable for how much water you're drinking. And this is the black one. The black one's really nice too. I like that the cap is actually darker, so it does come with like a matching silver cap. You can see mine is a true silver, and this one is like a charcoal blackened silver. Really, really nice. They are a little expensive, not gonna lie, but to me they're definitely worth it. They look super chic, which obviously is the vibe. They're BPA free. They're like a frosted material. And again, I like the little simple numbers, times on the side, keeps you accountable. One of the other items I showed you guys on Instagram was this really cool Conair clothing shaver. So this is what it sounds like, and it literally shaves the pilling off of your clothes. So like, let me see if I can, you see that right there, how it's like pilled up? I mean, this is the kind of sweater that's supposed to look raggedy, but maybe you don't want that much pilling. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all of the material inside that it has taken off of clothing. Next, I have this set of scrunchies. This is, I think, a set of 45 scrunchies for $5. I love these. So normally I would use like regular hair ties, which I still need those. I still use them, but they're kind of expensive, and right now we can't go to like Dollar Tree where I would normally buy them. So I'm like, I'm not gonna spend $10 on hair ties from Target. So I bought this big pack for $5, and it comes with all these different colors, which maybe you wouldn't use use them like to hang out outside. But another thing I like to use them for is when I'm washing my face, obviously to tie my hair up. But also if you put them on your wrists while you're washing your face, all the water doesn't drip down your arm, which is like drives me banana sandwich, and it drips into the scrunchies. So they're really great for that as well. Another thing that I got that I'm loving is this carpet tape. I know, like, who needs this big ass roll, but I do. So we got a lot of rugs in this place, a lot of little carpets, a lot of little decorative rugs and things like that, and they move around a lot, and then you trip and then you almost die. This is really, really nice. It's this big ass roll of sticky tape, but it's like made for carpet. It's really, really sticky, double-sided. So you just peel off a piece. You can see it's literally like adhesive. It's really sticky, and it keeps your carpets in place. So if you have a little corner that you're always tripping on, or it's always flipping up and then it gets that dent and it won't get flat again, get you some of this. Another thing I've been loving from Amazon is my AirPods case. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen? It does come in other colors. It's this really beautiful rhinestone AirPods keychain case. It's really strong too. It's actually a plastic, like a thick plastic covered in chain rhinestones. So it's not individual rhinestones, which is great because you won't lose one. And it looks really expensive and nice. Like, you would never think that this was 15 bucks from Amazon. So that's everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. As usual, stay glam, subscribe. I love you. Just know that we're in this together and we're gonna get through this, and you're not alone. So I hope to see you next time, and yeah, that's it. Bye.